It's Business Breakfast on iBrand Television, and let's get talking now. Our interview segment of the program. Nigerian Central Bank delivered its largest rate hike in absolute terms in around 17 years on Tuesday to tame soaring inflation amid nationwide trade protests, union protests over price rises that have left people struggling to meet their basic needs. The Central Bank of Nigerian Governor Olayemi Kadoso said the 4 percentage point increase to 22.75% opens new tab was needed as previous rate hikes had not cooled price pressure enough. Inflation has reached almost 30%, its highest in almost 3 decades, driven by a steep fall in the naira currency, the removal of fuel subsidy, fiscal deficit, and conflict in food-producing parts of the nation, Africa's most populous nation and the biggest economy. Now, while some analysts welcome the hawkish stand of the CBN, others were of the view that an interest rate hike will further deteriorate the already battered economy, leading to an imminent recession. iBrandTV Annabelle is an investment banker and stockbroker at Edges Securities Limited. He joins me now live virtually from Lagos as he gives us more insight into this development. Good morning, Mr. Annabelle. Glad to have you join me on the program today.
Good morning. I'm happy and always delighted to be with you.
First off, I need to get your thoughts on the outcome of the resolution made at the just concluded MPC meeting, the first of its kind under the leadership of the Yemi Kadoso-led Apex Bank. First and foremost, how do you react to a 400 basis point hike in monetary policy rate? And then again, what do you think this will have, the ripple effect this will have, especially on businesses?
Very quickly, what they have done is the best way to go. It was expected. It was expected that there's no way we're not going to jack up the MPR to by that magnitude. What they have done is that let me quickly liken it to a medical doctor give you prescription to take a tablet 1 per day, and one in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening, and decide to take the 3 at a go. That's what he has done. Taking a 400 basis point off is expected. They needed to do that to clear the effect of the inflation that are needed. What that also means is that the cost of funds has differently increased for people looking out to take credit from financial institutions. That is the immediate implication. That the cost of funds, the economy, has been jacked up to clear out the existing inflation that has pervaded the economy in the recent past.
Yeah, I hear you say it's expected. Of course, it's expected that there need to be an increase in NPR. A lot of policy economists and analysts like yourself are already expecting an hike in interest rate, but we are looking at a 200 and 250 basis points and not a 400 basis point, a 4% increase. But manufacturers have come out to say that with this hike with this magnitude of interest rate hike, the access to funds will now be somehow on the increase as well, and this will have a much bigger impact on their operations. How do you react to this? And do you think that the CBN is actually doing the right thing by increasing NPR by 400 basis points?
Yes, I said it's expected because with the inflation rate that we have witnessed, the economy was as a result of different forces. You know, we have the demand pool inflation, we have the cost pool situation, and it depends on what we are talking about. They are different things. These are two principal reasons that can cause inflation by way of elementary economics. But what we are saying is that it is expected that we are going to step up because of the inflation. Yes, manufacturers, You don't want to go to financial institution to go and seek credit. We always complain that they were expecting like 200. That is not the issue. What the civilians have done when they sat down to do is to globally look at the nationwide economy of Nigeria, not what the manufacturing guys are talking about, or people going to financial institution to take credit. They are looking at their own perspective. But the central bank need to globally look at the entire economy, all sectors of the economy. The manufacturing is just the aspect of the economy. What about other sectors of the economy? Only this way to be jacked up. They are already looking from their own perspective. Yes.
But permit me to butt in now, Mr. Cannabel. Permit me to butt in a bit now. Permit me to butt in. Mr. Cannabel, if you can hear me, permit me to butt in.
They are not looking at the in the short run effect of their own sector, not the global economy of Nigeria, in which the central bank of Nigeria look at the perspective at which they look at the economy. So that's why I told you I have to show that what they have done. We know they're going to agree. It's like a doctor telling you to take one tablet per day, per morning, evening, and night, and you wake up in the morning and decide to take the 3 at a time. That's what they have done. So that they are going to be 200 now, next month they take another 200 or 100 now,
Mr. Cannabel.
Tomorrow, 200 next tomorrow. It all mean the same thing. They needed to do to quickly level out the inflation that the economy witnessed in this first quarter of the year. Thank you.
Mr. Cannabel, I'd like to have a different opinion from your subjection. You're saying that the manufacturers are just speaking on their own behalf and they're not thinking about the global economy and they're not thinking about other sectors. Have you also thought about how this recent move by the separation of MSMEs who are still struggling to get funds to fund their operations, don't you think that this will cause more MSMEs who lack access to funds to close shop?
MSME in this country, they have a lot of rebates given to them by the central bank, by tax authorities, but there are different things that other rebates that be given to MSME. The medium, the small and medium businesses enjoy other things that will cancel out whatever effect. The only way to aggregate the economy. We are talking about the aggregation of the economy, either the big investors or the short and medium scale guys. Yes, they are going to find them, but we are seeing the long run. In the long run, they will not cancel out. They have the government agree to them in terms of tax payment. They have a rate on the number of tax holidays given to some of them depends on the sector you are playing on. There are different areas of the economy that SME also benefit other than the increase. What will affect them most is the power generation. One of the biggest problems of SME, as we know it today, is power. It's not even about cost of borrowing. They are talking about if you give one power generation, it's a critical part of this economy. It's an area that we need to solve. If we get it done, we will not be talking about the cost of fund and all that. If they can produce, we will sell. Because Nigeria is a huge market. We are talking about a market of over 200 million. You can only participate. Cost of fund will not be the issue, but the cost of production. If you reduce your production, your power generation, where SME can participate, you see, people will try. That is the next area the country, the government should look into. This power generation thing. Cost of fund will not be of the past. You should produce yourself and make your profit. Whether the cost of borrowing is high or not, it's immaterial.